How to use dual messenger feature on Android for 2 WhatsApp accounts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video is on how you can use dual messenger feature on your WhatsApp. So you can use multiple WhatsApp account from a single device. So this is for Android device, not for any iOS or any iPhone devices. So let's begin. First step, locate your WhatsApp app, then open it up. After you open up your WhatsApp, you can tap on the 3 dots on the top right to go to your settings. So tap on the 3 dots on the top right, then tap on settings. After you tap on your settings, you will find multiple options here. So after you're here, you will need to tap on your account option. After you tap on your account option, you'll find add account. Simply tap on add account. And after you do that, you can tap on add account again. And from here, you will be able to add a new account here. So the process is really simple. Tap on agree and continue. After you do that, you can then enter out your new phone number and then set up that profile. After you do that, you can now simply switch between multiple accounts and use your WhatsApp. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.